Our journey began early in the morning from Hara railway station. Before the train, I grabbed a quick breakfast. At Janahar, the perfect start to a long travel day. Once the train started, the outside view was just beautiful, endless greenery villages, and that calm countryside vibe perfect, whether too slightly rainy and cool.
After a few hours we finally reached Ghatsila, and honestly the first thing that hit me was the fresh air and that peaceful small town charm.
Next we visited the place of Bibhutabhushan Bandyopadhyay, the legendary Bengali writer. The place is simple yet filled with history and commerce. Then we headed to the Sabarnarekha River viewpoint. The view was breathtaking, calm river, cloudy sky, and green hills in the background. Perfect place to just sit quietly and breathe. After that, we went to Baruti Dam. The water surrounded by green hills looked magical. And of course, we had a local-style lunch, desi chicken curry near the dam. Trust me, it was delicious. Next up, another hidden spot, Kaliam Kocha waterfall, smaller, but surrounded by rocks and greenery. You could even take a dip if you're careful. The water is cold and super refreshing. Post-lunch, we headed to Darajiri. Falls, a tall stream waterfall hidden in the forest. The sound of water echoing through the trees was unreal.